Hi everybody, my name is Brit MacDonald. I'm the National Director of Little Green Thumbs. We're working together with gardening.usask to talk about indoor growing. We really want to communicate to you that you don't need a lot of supplies to get up and get growing indoors. So the first question we are often asked is, what can you grow indoors? Now the answer is almost anything. The question that you have to ask yourself is, how much time, how much resources, and how much effort am I willing to invest? There are a few things that are better suited to growing indoors with simple, low-cost equipment, and we're going to talk about those. But you can always experiment. Remember, you can grow almost anything indoors if you have the right tools and you have enough time and resources to get up and growing. So if you're looking to get up and growing without a lot of investment into tools, you're going to want to start with microgreens, lettuce, and herbs. If you do want to look at trying to grow vegetables indoors, you will need to invest in a few supplies, mainly lights, and you can reference the lighting video for more information about how to choose the right lights for growing indoors. The biggest difference between growing indoors and growing outdoors is that you're responsible for controlling the environment that your plants are growing in. Now, when you're growing outdoors and you've planted into the soil, you have the sun, you have the wind, you have lots of help from nature. When you're growing indoors, the responsibility is up to you to provide the needs that your plants have to grow. One of the best ways to remember your plant needs is to remember the acronym LAWNS. Now, LAWNS stands for light, air, water, nutrients, and space. That is what you have to control in order to grow a successful indoor plant, food plant, and an indoor crop. So light is obviously your grow lights, or it's the light of your window. Air is humidity, it's the temperature of your air as well, and a little bit of airflow that your plants will probably need. Water is pretty self-explanatory. Your plants will need nutrients, and they need space. The space is often provided by your soil, but you want to make sure that you're not crowding your plants in as well. So what do you need to get up and get growing? Well, there's a few different ways that you can grow indoors. You can grow in soil, just like a container that you would have on your deck or patio. You can bring that indoors and you can grow in a soil-based system. You can also grow in a hydroponic system as well as an aeroponic system. There are lots of off-the-shelf growing models that you can purchase, but we're also going to talk to you about simple garden growing kits that you can build yourself, as well as just growing by the light of your window in a pot that you already have.